Ever notice how your brain will take one tiny uncertain moment and spin it into a full disaster movie, starring you? At 2 a.m., a strange look from your boss, a weird pain, a text left on read. Suddenly you're certain everything's about to collapse. Your heart pounds, your mind races, and you can't stop spiraling. That pattern isn't weakness, and it's not your destiny. It's a loop, and loops can be broken. Today I'm handing you two systems to break it for good. First, a timeless emergency reset from Dale Carnegie's classic, The Magic Formula. Second, modern psychology's gold standard, cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. Carnegie's formula handles the crisis. CBT rewires the thinking so the crisis happens less. Let's start with Carnegie's magic formula. 3 steps. Step 1. Ask, what is the absolute worst that can happen? Get painfully specific. If you're panicking over a friend's silence, the worst might be, they're ending our friendship and I'll feel humiliated. Write it down. Stare it in the face. Step 2. Accept that worst-case scenario mentally. Don't fight it. Tell yourself, even if that happens, I will survive. I can rebuild. The moment you genuinely accept it, the panic loosens its grip. Your body exhales. Step 3. Now, from that calm place, take constructive action. What tiny thing can you do right now? Put the phone away and focus on something else. Draft a kind check-in text later. The magic isn't the formula. It's you taking back control. That's the emergency brake. But here's where Carnegie leaves a gap. How do you stop those automatic catastrophic thoughts before they hijack you? That's where CBT comes in. CBT is practical brain training. It runs on one core idea, the CBT Triangle. Thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are all connected in a loop. An automatic thought, they're ignoring me, triggers anxiety, which makes you obsessively check your phone. That checking reinforces the thought that something's wrong, and the loop tightens. Change any one point on that triangle, and the entire system shifts. Step 1. Catch the thought. When worry hits, pause and name the exact sentence running through your mind. Write it down. They're ghosting me because I'm boring. Step 2. Check the evidence. Put that thought on trial. What proof supports it? Usually none. What proof contradicts it? They've replied late before, and everything was fine. They mentioned a brutal week. Ask, what would a balanced friend tell me? Step 3. Reframe it realistically. Now blend in Carnegie's acceptance. Your new thought, I have zero proof I'm being rejected. They're probably busy. Even if the friendship cooled, I'd be okay. I can handle it. Feel the emotional drop. Step 4. Take a behavioral experiment. Change your behavior. Put the phone in another room and take a 10-minute walk. Prove to your brain that the world doesn't collapse when you stop checking. 2 bonus tools to add to your kit. Worry time. Schedule a daily 15-minute worry appointment. When anxious thoughts show up outside it, write them down and say, I'll handle this at 7 p.m. By then, most feel trivial. The fear ladder. List your fears from easiest to hardest, then face them step by step. A smile at a cashier, a short comment, a real conversation. Action rewires the brain. Confidence follows the doing, not the other way around. So here's the big picture. Carnegie's magic formula is your crisis commander. Face the worst, accept it, act. CBT is the daily training that catches and rewrites the thoughts that trigger the crisis. Use them together, and you become genuinely hard to shake. Which tool will you try first? The 4-step thought record, worry time, or the fear ladder? Tell me in the comments. Your move might pull someone else out of the spiral. If this clicked, like, share it with a friend who overthinks, and subscribe for more practical book breakdowns. The calmer, more resilient version of you isn't years away. A few daily reps, and you're there. Start today.